In this video lesson, you'll discover how to use the gradated wash method when painting a watercolor.
I load the first stripe with enough paint so that the bead of liquid collects at the bottom edge. The next brush stroke goes along the bead, overlapping it slightly, so that the paint flows down from the first brush stroke to the next one. To form a nice loaded bead, I apply the third brush stroke in a horizontal manner. Before continuing, I add a full brush load of clean water into the saucer and stir the mix quickly and thoroughly with the brush. Then, I load the brush with this mix and apply the next horizontal brush stroke. After that, I wash up the brush and apply another brush load of clean water into the paint mix. This dilutes the paint a little bit more, and I do another brush stroke with this tint. Once again, I wash the brush and add a bit of water into the saucer. After stirring the mix, I paint more horizontal brush strokes with an even more diluted tint. By now, I am sure that you understand the sequence being used here. After each brush stroke, I wash the brush, dilute the mix even more, and apply another brush stroke of a slightly lighter tint. I will repeat this sequence until the very end of the wash. Because I am constantly adding clean water into the saucer, the paint tint becomes progressively lighter, causing the tonal value of this wash to also become lighter with every brush stroke. This results in a smooth gradient from dark to light tones, as I go from the top to the bottom of this paper sheet.